Alright, yo. Boom, bye, bye. Boom, bye, bye. So, what you know now? As you can see, hold on there. Which part of this we roll up? Oh, wrong side, me I roll up, you know. You see me? Alright, yo. As you can see, my dog Eddy G Bomba have a new song and we're gonna review it. So, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and it's song name Hush Puppi. I don't listen to it yet. Force me to listen to it. Because I say I don't listen to it unless I come by but oh no. So we're going to listen to the dog and then we're going to give an honest opinion on the song. See me? If you hear boom, 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 I'm a phone. Don't worry about it. But yeah, let's go.
Yo, 17. Gucci clothes are from Italy. More come on, sick of me. Me have the coach up and every match. That I float and the Aligani. Dirty jagger in your place. We start rich, we have your puzzle like maze. Active, right now I run up by a wheel. Toxic, make your skull a nightmare. Plastic, me pop it rubber like rain. Athletes, like the sun in night day.
Hold up the monster. What was that? What was that?
Active, right now I run a by a wheel. Toxic, make your skull a nightmare. Plastic, me pop it rubber like rain. Athletes, like the sun in night day. Hot spit, couple cover 5 grade. Tactics, the goes of what I like. I stitch. Damn me rich like Coach Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wall.
Alright, so if you don't know who Hush Puppi is, let me inform you. Hush Puppi was a famous Nigerian scammer. See me? Him living in Dubai and the man, the lifestyle was very lavish. So if you don't want to know who Hush Puppi be, just type it in. Type it in Nigerian Hush Puppi or Hush Puppi from Nigeria and we see it. The man they used to live lavish. The man used to live in a penthouse at Dubai. Man they go. So when you hear the man talk about Hush Puppi plus him put in the scamming lyrics tonight, it a come from a deeper place. You see me? That come from Africa. Let's go.
Not the future, me skate not the coupe and go scrape up the moon top. Never reach and go switch from the crew, me not Judas. We tripping a new brand, make another go stop. With the official chap,
when you reach and go switch from the crew like a Judas, you know, if you listen to the man them and the man them a sing, brother. Cause some of say the man them not really sing no song, but the man them really and truly a sing. But guess what? We as the audience not really listen to the man them, brother. That's our problem. Play man song.
Them say me sign buffer contract. Gucci clothes are from Italy. More come on, sick of me. Me have the coach up and every match. That I float a Aligani. She overdose, she pop the Mali. Of course she must lick a dick. Shoot me shot, me score them like Ribery. You're supposed to can't imagine. Damn me rich like Coach Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and coast dummy. We drift that nearly crash over some gully. Damn me rich like Coach Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and coast dummy. We drift that nearly crash over some gully. Rich like Coach Puppi. Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and coast dummy. We drift that nearly crash over some gully.
Take your Benz off a wharf and coast dummy. Then forward now gully. Eddy Bomba have him own a style and that's what I like. I like when artists have them own a style. Him not copy nobody. Him not come on the scene for sound like somebody. Him sound like himself. Big up yourself. Play the rest of the song.
Money dirty and stink and mud mucky. Clear the Benz off a wharf and coast dummy. We me drift that nearly crash over some gully.
Alright. Now, we are going to talk the honest truth. I am going to give the song a 9. And the reason why I'm going to give the song a 9, we critique these songs off majority, everything. Everything. We not say majority. We critique the songs off of everything. So, one, the visuals look too much like his previous song that he came out with. And that song was Just a Minute. Me tell you now. May I get old, so I can't really remember a lot of things. You see me? So don't freaking come at me. You see me? Yes, Luigi. His video looked too much like Luigi. The only thing that's different, he's in a Pokemon suit, as what they call it. And that's the only thing I don't like. The Pokemon suit, I mean, I'm going to get along none at all. However, the song itself is a good song. I love it. Like, me give the song, if the song had a different type of visual, I would have given the song 10. But we need to be more creative when it comes to the visuals. The visuals play a major role in getting your views up. Because remember, people not going to just go up on YouTube, go listen to a song. No. People are go up on them platform like Apple Music, SoundCloud, Spotify, and all them type of something. See me? People now go come on YouTube because other people are not going to pay for YouTube Premium. See me? Unless they're in them house, them are clean, them are cook, and them just want some background music. Yes, I know people have Alexa. Your visuals have a lot to do with your videos, and I think that's where we are lacking. No, if we take some, let's take a leaf out of Afrobeats book. A lot of Afrobeats visuals are beautiful. Very beautiful. Sometimes you love the song, but you also want to see the visuals of the song because the visuals is captivating. And that's what we need. We need captivating visuals. This right here is too much like the Luigi video. I am a G. I'm an artist. I rate your style. You come out as yourself, bro. You know, sound like nobody. You know, sound like you imitate nobody. You come out as yourself. And that for me is a big plus because too much of them artists are right now, brother. I try to sound like them one another. Sing the same lyrics. Even though you sing about the scamming and whatever. But that's the norm right now. But however, big up yourself. Me get the song a 9, but the visuals take off a point. Now, if you guys are saying that I'm unfair because I should have graded the video separate from the song, well, that's fine. I'll give the song a 10. But the video would have gotten 4, 5 because it looks too much like the other video. That's something that I don't like. I want to see creativity. All right? Now, big up yourself. Before we're going to further, like, comment, subscribe. And like me say, the song, but I give it a 10, the video a 5. But if you put it all together, that's why I give it a 9. But yeah, we're not going to say, yo, that not really makes sense, whatever. But if I go more in depth, you guys will understand. But anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Eddy Bomba, big up yourself. Yeah, my G, song bad. Keep on putting out the hard work. Keep on working on your craft because you have it. You just need to keep on working on it and get better. Because guess what? It's up from here, so there's no going back. You see me? You're in the spotlight. Capitalize on it and use it to your advantage. Big up yourself. We out.